Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be showing you how I did my passion twist. Yep, this is a mix of crochets and individuals, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how I got to this point. For starters, this is my second time getting passion twist done. Yep, the first time I got the style done, I used the freetress waterwave air. Yep, this one. Yes, in 22 inches, and I used 6 bags. I remember, yeah, 6 bags. In each bag there was 15 pieces then, so that was 90. 15 from each bag. I used 6 bags, so I had a total of 90 twists in my head. But this time around, I have a mix of the freetress waterwave air in 22 inches and the Lulutress waterwave air in 18 inches. In total, I used 7 bags this time around. 7 bags. I had 5 bags of the Lulutress air. Yeah, 5 bags. 5 bags in the colors 1B. I had 2 bags of the color 1B, 2 bags of the color number 2, and 1 bag of the color 4. That was 5 bags. And for the freetress air, for the freetress air, I had 1 bag of the color TP1B30 and 1 bag of the color number 27. The color TP1B30, however, has only 3 strands. Yep, 1, 2, 3. 3 strands of some air. 3 strands of air with this ombre 30. Like, when you bind the color TP1B30, you might think it would be an even mix of the color 1B and the color number 30, but no, there was 16 pieces in that bag of air, but out of the 16, there was 13 in the color 1B and 3 of this one, so I only used 2 of this actually, so I can show you this one. There was 3 pieces of this in that color, so I'm suggesting if you wanted to use the freetress air and you wanted more color, you might just want to get your highlight color in a separate bag by itself. Like if you're buying the 1B TP1B30, don't be surprised if you come and then there's just hints of the 30 in it. So the pros and the cons with the freetress air, there was 16 pieces. Which is a plus, because the other time I used the freetress air, there was 15 in the bag, but this time around, I guess I got lucky. Maybe it's a different batch. There was 16 strands in each bag, and with the Lulutress air, yep, there was 18 strands in each bag. Now with the Lulutress air, I didn't notice that the strands of air, I used up everything. This is the only piece of air I have left, so sorry. I could maybe you'll see it in the video, because I think I showed it before I twisted everything. Where was I? The Lulutress waterwave air, yeah, there was 18 pieces in the bag, and this one had 16 pieces in the bag. And the major difference is, as you can see, this is freetress air. It looks really shiny, but that Lulutress air, I did not have all that kind of shine. It did not have all that shine. It was a lot less shiny. Like, yep, it had a little less luster than the like you can see. My twists are not so shiny. That is because most of the air in here is the Lulutress waterwave air. Lulutress air is actually a lot more textured. Like this freetress air now, it's silky, it is shiny, you know. But the Lulutress air is textured. It's almost like the texture of the what's this called again? The Kima Braid Ocean Wave Air. If you've used that air before, you know what I'm talking about. The Lulutress Water Wave Air comes in that texture. And also because of the difference in the air, like I had some of them were shiny, some of them were not. Like the Lulutress was not shiny, Freetress Water Wave was shiny. You know what I did? I mixed up all of the air, because I didn't want my twist looking here and there. I mixed up all of the air. By mixing up the air, what I mean is this: for each twist on my head, there's some freetress air and there's some Lulutress air. How did I go about that? Remember the other time I had my passion twist, I used 1 strand like this for each twist, but this time around I used 1 strand and half. Yep, I used 1 strand and half. What I did basically was, because I had a lot more of the Lulutress air, I used 1 piece of air from the Lulutress, 1 piece of Lulutress air, and for every piece of freetress air, I fluffed out and separated in 2. For every piece of freetress air, I separated in 2. So I used half a piece of the freetress air, 1 piece of the Lulutress air. Yep, for every twist. Like my color number 27 now, if you can see in the back, I put all of my colors on the back, the bright color rather. Like this is the color 27 and probably a 1B. Color 27, probably number 2 weighted. I just added mixed up, like, so it's looking really real cute like that. The difference with me doing that now is that because I used a strand and half, this twist here, they are just slightly bigger than the twist I had the other time, because those ones were 1 strand twist, but now this is like a 1.5 strand, if that makes any sense. 1.5 strand twist. So these ones are slightly bigger than the twist I had the other time, and as a result of that, I have a little less number of twists in my head, because that time I had 90 twists, but now I have 75 plus. Now I have 81, yes. Actually, I have 81 twists in my head. 81 twists, about 76 of them are crochets. I have 4 individuals in the front. There it is. final thoughts. The Lulutress Air is a little less better. It's a little less better than the freetress water with air for passion twist. I mean, I was just able to pull it off because I mixed the two brands of air together. Like, if you want to use just the Lulutress, the air is actually good. Yeah, for a crochet it's good, but for this passion twist, maybe because it's kind of textured, I don't know. You would have a lot of work to do to get it looking right. But because I mixed it up with the freetress water with air, I guess I was able to pull it off. And so if you're thinking to get some passion twist, you might just want to like stick with the freetress water with air. And if the long length is a concern, that was really a concern with me because I didn't want 22 inches this time. I wanted 18 inches. That was why I really went for the Lulutress water with air, because that one comes in 18 inches. If the length is a concern for you, you might just use the freetress water with air. They have a shorter length, which is 14 inches. Yeah, 14 inches. And if you 14 inches is like a third short, you might just extend the length a little. And also, or rather, should I say finally, all of this air came from beautyofnewyork.com. And by the air came from beautyofnewyork.com, what I mean is that I bought the air from Beauty of New York. I just might add a link to that website in my description because they've got great prices over there. Come on now, great prices, tax-free. That is my favorite part. Great prices, tax-free, free shipping. Come on now, what more can a girl ask for? I'm just saying. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions that you feel I've not covered in this video that I've not addressed, you might just want to leave them in the comments down. And thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks.